I'm TJ down at South Coast Vapor Company in Encinitas. We're located at 1532 Encinitas Boulevard. Today we're going to be doing the stainless steel mesh build. What I have here is 404 grade stainless steel mesh, about that much. And what I did here is I took some 28 gauge and some 30 gauge A1 annealed Kanthal, and I spun it together with a drill. Next I took some 0.8 ribbon wire and spun that with the spun 28 and 32 gauge around it. I have about maybe 6-7 inches of it right here. Alright, so let's get started. What I'm going to do is take this stainless steel mesh and I'm going to grab it with this inside of a pin, and I'm going to roll it up around the pin, kind of like rolling up a cigarette, but not. Nice and tight. You want to get this as tight as possible around this pin. The next step in doing this is we're going to oxidize the heck out of this. Also, for all you people that are just getting into rebuilding your atomizers, I wouldn't suggest trying this on your own without getting more into it yourself. This is a pretty dangerous build. So we're getting it rolled up tight right here. Almost done. Alright, now we're going to pull it off the pen and we're going to start oxidizing. Now I have a little bowl of water right here. We're going to oxidize it the old-fashioned way. We're going to triple treat this mesh. Here we go. You want to get it nice and red hot all the way around for a good amount of time. And what this actually does is it makes the stainless steel mesh non-conductive. Dip it in water. Take it, flip it around, grab it again, torch it. Get it nice and red hot again. Dip it in water. Now we're going to torch it one more time. It's very imperative that you guys do this if you're going to try this build. You've got to oxidize this a few times. Alright, we're going to let it sit for a second. Next, we're actually going to take some juice and we're going to douse it. Get it wet all the way up and down. Take our lighter. It's been a while since I've had to use one of these. And actually light it on fire. This actually finalizes the procedure of making this stainless steel mesh non-conductive. It's also very important that you do this step too. And it just went out, so we're going to do it one more time. These are all, you know, safety precautions, guys. A little more juice. Now, that's good to go. Next, we're going to oxidize our wire that I spun up. It's important for a couple reasons to do this. One, it takes the springiness out of the wire, and two, it makes it conductive. So you just want to get it nice and red hot a couple times through. All right. Now we're going to take our mesh and we're going to unroll it. We're going to roll it back up, not around the pen, as tight as you can get it. Almost done. All right, got it rolled up, just like so. We're gonna take our handy dandy set of dikes here. Cut it in half. And you want to grab both ends because that'll fly off in some odd direction. So we've got our two wicks. Okay. Now, when wrapping my coils, I grab the mesh. Grab my wire, and this is, just the way that I like to do it. Hold my thumb right there, take my wire and pull towards me, let go, grab it again, and then continue to wrap. And we're going to do a 3 wrap. Pull it nice and tight. And now see, it looks like I have 4 wraps on there, right? But just to ensure that those 3 are nice and spaced evenly and straight all the way around the coil, I like to pull that guy back underneath. Take my pliers, and slide that up a little bit. I like to make sure that everything's nice and neat on my builds. Usually what I've noticed is the neater you are, the better it performs. Spacing is a big issue with your coils. Pull it tight. Pull it tight. Take my clippers. Clip that. And we've got one coil done. Alright, let's do the next one. So I'm going to do the same exact thing that I did on that one on this next coil. That's also very important. You want everything to be, both your coils to be basically mirrored. Pull towards me, nice and tight, let go, get a good grab on it, and do a 3 wrap. Pull nice and tight. And it looks like a 4 wrap once again. Pull this guy underneath. Back over to the over wrap. Take our pliers. Make sure everything's nice and straight. Alright, and we've got our second coil done.